everyone. Today, I would like to explain the product regarding our VP750 Automotive Exhaust Gas Purifier. The background for the development of this exhaust gas, Automotive Exhaust Gas Purifier, is that most of our automotive repair shops deal with smoke or chemicals and particle matters, which is essentially graphite, is inevitably generated during repairs. Additionally, when dealing with chemicals, white smoke is produced. Therefore, we cannot indiscriminately release this graphite or white smoke in residential areas or urban centers. As a result, our mechanics are becoming criminals, not criminals due to the emission of graphite. The product created from the 4 contracts is the VP750, which has 2 main advantages. Firstly, it can effectively collect graphite or smoke that may occur from automobile exhaust, thus helping to improve the environment. Secondly, our mechanics can effectively respond to the emissions that occur during chemical work, preventing them from being released into the atmosphere. The muffler has been installed and, as mentioned earlier, I will now turn the power on. The power is on, right? When the power is on, the full switch will operate at maximum because we will be accelerating now. Please set it to maximum, and then the wind will come out. If you can position the muffler towards the far side of our indoor area, that would be great. Now let's conduct a test. As you can see, the VP750A essentially has the role of equipment, along with performance capabilities and environmental improvement functions simultaneously. As you can see, the background for developing this equipment also contributes to environmental improvement, but the main focus is on how our technicians can help improve the environment while increasing our profits. I sincerely hope that by using this VP750, it will greatly benefit your business and the environment. Thank you.